If you are a teenager, definitely you need to follow these steps to look presentable. But this is the cloud kiss. Hey everyone, this is Sana and you're watching Sana Work. So this video is about how to look presentable without overloading makeup. This video is mainly for teenagers, those who are in a beginner stage for makeup, for skincare and also in a grooming. Most of the teenager wants without lots of makeup products how to look presentable. Today I have done this kind of presentable look. I didn't apply lots of makeup products. I have just applied a compact powder foundation, but still my face looked presentable. Well, I can go anywhere like this. So this is my confidence. You need to build your confidence with your look. So in this video you can learn lots of things. So without any further delay, let's begin the video. Some points to share with you how to look presentable without doing lots of things to your skin and body. The first thing to take care of is your skin. When skin looks healthy, automatically makeup reduces. So you need to take care of your skin first. For the healthy skin, you need to follow some of the easy steps which you can do it by yourself in your home. The first and basic thing is you need to cleanse your face twice. Don't do overwash, but you need to cleanse your dirt and oil from your face. And the second thing is you definitely need a good moisturizer, and sunscreen is not a negotiable thing. Sunscreen is also must. So give importance to moisturizer and sunscreen. You need to invest in a good moisturizer and sunscreen, then your skin definitely thank later to you. And the main tip is drinking enough water. You need to be hydrated regularly. At least drink 2 to 2.5 liters of water in a day. That's gonna make your skin flawless, healthy and glow. And the next thing is grooming. Most of the teenagers and beginners doesn't know how to groom yourself in a home. Actually, what neatly shaped eyebrows and clean upper lips gonna make your skin more flawless and more presentable. You no need to fill the eyebrows regularly. You just shape your eyebrow, that's it, and clean your upper lips. If you're having an facial hair, then you can definitely remove with some razor. And also in this video, I'm gonna show you how I cleanse my face and how I'm removing facial hair, upper lips, and how I'm shaping my brows. For a beginner, this is definitely gonna be useful for you. Keep on watching. I'm gonna cleanse my face and also I'm gonna remove my extra brows, mustache and facial hair. Can you see? Look at my mustache. So this cleanser is from Good Vibes Forever Collection. Bakuchiol Age Defining Smooth Cleanser. This is how it looks. I have got it in a compliment, but still I liked it. The texture of this cleanser is actually good. Just now I took a bath, so I don't need lots of cleanser to use. I am applying this to remove my mustache. It has some mini granules in this. It actually cleanses your pores. And now I'm not gonna wash my face. I'm gonna remove my facial hair with the help of this moisture, which I have already got it in this cleanser. I'm gonna use this razor, which is in zigzag form. See? Keep your razor in the 45-degree angle. And first I'm gonna start with my forehead. wash my face with this Foxtails face wash, which I got it as a compliment. I'm gonna test it out how this face wash is going to work today. Before that, I'm gonna remove my mic. अभी मैं कैमरा लेके बाथरूम नहीं जा सकती, इसलिए मैं यहीं दिखा रही हूँ. एक कलर, इसका फेस वॉश का जो कलर है ना वो भी ऑरेंज कलर में ही है. सेम थोड़ा बहुत मैं फेस को गीला कर लेती हूँ. स्मेल्स गुड. ओके, मैं जाके वॉश करके आती हूँ. Can you see my face looks so smooth and bright? So we actually cleansed the face and I removed all my facial hair. Now it's time to apply good moisturizer. This is one of my favorite propylene glycol moisturizer. So now I'm going to apply moisturizer, one of my favorite moisturizer, Emmeline propylene glycol cream Emmeline. In one of my shorts, I think I have got lots of response for this moisturizer. This is the moisturizer which I'm using quite in a long time. So yeah, this is the good moisturizer for all skin. They claim this moisturizer is mainly for dry skin, but my skin is combination to oily skin, but still I love this moisturizer. This is actually good for all skin type. I think this one is my third package of this moisturizer. So that much I like this moisturizer. I definitely recommend this to you guys also to use. See, this is my new one. Okay. This moisturizer actually in a gel form. It hydrates. It gonna keeps your face so smooth. This actually smells like coconut water. See how smoothly it blends into my skin. If you are picking this moisturizer, then it's a good investment for your skin. After razor, my skin is gonna thank me for this moisturizer. The topic is how to look presentable without a lots of products application. You definitely need to invest in a good moisturizer for your skin. This is not a skippable step. And like this, sunscreen is also a must. That is also a very good investment for your skin for the long time. Don't think for the short term, for the long time. So grooming is the main important thing to look presentable. And next thing is your skin care. If you do a good skin care, automatically your skin looks bright, smooth and very healthy skin. For the sunscreen, today I'm going to use this Dot & Key Watermelon sunscreen. This is also my second package, one of my favorite sunscreen for my skin type. This will gonna keep your face lightweight, no white cast, and also it gives some cooling sensation to your skin. Not for the long time, but still it gonna give you for few minutes. And you can also use Foxtails Glow sunscreen. That sunscreen also one of my favorite sunscreen because that will automatically gives you a glowy effect for the full day. And next step is go with a minimum makeup product like tinted sunscreen or tinted moisturizer or BB cream, CC cream. If the shades matches to your skin, go with that. But today I'm gonna go with the compact powder foundation cause I don't want to apply any cream product on this because I have already cleansed it with a good hydrated cleanser on my face, and after that I applied this Emmeline moisturizer which is great for hydration, and top of it I applied sunscreen. But for the presentable look, I don't need to apply any cream product or foundation on my face. I'm just going with the compact powder foundation, which you already guessed, I think. The new launch Rini Roy compact powder foundation, which is my current favorite. For if I'm going without any makeup, means this is must application for me. This is how the shade looks like. This is in shade 140 Patience. Actually, this brand is fabulous. This is a great compact powder foundation for this price range, and also this brand has wide shade range for brownies and duskies, so you definitely need to check it out. This, so I'm taking in a kabuki brush, just dabbing on my face. And I'm not gonna load lots of products. For eyes, I'm going with the mascara. That's it. I'm not going to apply eyeliner or kajal to my eyes, but that's your choice. You can apply whatever you want. Here I'm using this hyper curl mascara. See, after mascara, my eyes looks good enough to give a presentable look. For lips, I'm going with the Drip Lip Mist from Mars Cosmetics. This is in shade Rosewood Drip 03. This one is actually a tinted lip gloss. Gloss actually fades after 1 to 2 hours, but tint stays there. I really like this drip mist. This is in shade Rosewood. And slightly top of it, I'm gonna apply this Cloud Kiss. Shade is Blush Mist. This actually like a super still lip crayon from Mars Cosmetics. This also same, but this is the Cloud Kiss. That's it. Enough. For hairstyle, you can do whatever you want. If your hair texture is good, smooth, frizz free, then you can go with the free hair. Otherwise, you can make a messy band or any simple braid that will gonna give you a beautiful, elegant look or presentable look. That's it. Okay. This is the thing to look presentable. Next and important point is cloth. What the cloth you are wearing. Outfit plays major role to look presentable. So wear the outfit which you are comfortable and also relatable to the place where you are going. Wear clean clothes. I'm not telling to wear a new thing. Regularly wear a fresh clean cloth, not a stinky one, so that actually smells a lot. I have already experienced that in metros. Even in women compartment smells bad. So keep in mind, always wear fresh clean cloth and also make sure your clothes are ironed. Okay, I think these all are the main basic points to look presentable. And one more thing is carry a good smile on your face. I think I have covered all the points, most basic points for the presentable look. So make sure if you are following these things, then definitely you will look presentable. Hope this will gonna useful for you. If you are a teenager, definitely you need to follow these steps to look presentable. This is a very simple steps and basic things to do. So yeah guys, let's meet you on next video. Bye bye, see you soon.